In this video, we're testing out the Shark Genius Steam Pocket Mop, so let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the user manual and a quick guide, an extra dirt grip pad, the handle, the body, the mop head, and also a water jug. Attach the body to the mop head, noting where it says front. Push it in all the way until it clicks into place. Then attach the handle to the body, again noting where it says front, and push it all the way in until it clicks into place. If you want to remove the handle, there's a little black button on the back here. Just push that in and slide the handle out. It comes with an easy open lid for the 350 ml water tank capacity. The rotating swivel head was great for when I wanted to clean under my couches. It lets you turn in any angle so that you can get to those hard to reach areas. And it also cleans really well by getting flush against the edges and the corners. Flip the mop head over to activate the steam blaster, which produces a burst of steam for tough stains. And then flip it back over to go back to normal mode. To start the steam mop, fill the water tank up to the maximum line. When you plug it in, the light will blink while it's in steady mode. Press the steam button to activate the steam and choose your level of steam from low, medium or high. We'll put it on high, and then it'll take about 30 seconds for it to generate the steam. Here you can see the steam coming out, and then you're ready to mop. If you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing for more household product reviews. And don't forget to hit the like button and drop me a comment below if you have any questions or comments. When the water finishes in the tank, you'll hear this sound. Make sure to turn it off before you refill it up. And look at the amount of dirt that came off my floors. And here is the before and after pictures. To remove the dirt grip pad, hold the steam mop up straight and press this release button at the back here. And the dirt pad should be washed in warm soapy water, either by hand or in your washing machine. And when you're ready to attach a clean dirt grip pad, slide the mop head into the four corners of the dirt grip pad and then press one side down gently until it clicks into place, and then do the same with the other side. Once you're done with all your cleaning, if you do have any water left in the tank, you just need to empty it all out by tilting it over your sink. So the steam mop did a pretty decent job, especially considering how dirty my floor was to begin with. This is the first time I'm using a steam mop instead of my regular Swiffer wet mop, but I definitely noticed the difference between the before and after. There were some really stuck on tough stains that couldn't be cleaned, but I don't think that was any fault of the Shark Genius mop. And just to show you, here is the washed dirt pad. And this is the best that I could get it cleaned, but considering my floor was very dirty to begin with, I'm really not surprised by this at all. I don't know if you guys are, but anyway, drop me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I hope you found this video useful, and I hope to catch you in my next video.